To add a comment, we need to also update the UI so we can basically submit this information to the action. I'm just going to put a breakpoint in here. So let me just go to the view. Let's go in here, then go to views. We have the shared folder. Inside here we have home and then post C#HTML. Let us scroll down for us to be able to pass the post ID from the view to the controller. We created an input hidden and then we just set the value there. So we added this line and let us do the same for the comment. This is the comment section. I'm just going to put this inside a form. So form. And the first thing is to just use an input type hidden for the model ID or just for basically the post ID. And then inside this form, we are going to have the div and also the button. I just put it in here. For us to be able to submit the form, we need to set the button type to be submit. Now, in here, we need to also define to which action do we want to send the request, and the action is inside the ASP controller home, and the action is ASP action. The name of the action was AddPostComment. Let me just copy and then paste it in here. So we have the post ID. Now inside the text area, let us also define the content. So name, this is going to be used for the name, and that is going to be just content. And this is all we need to do. So basically, whenever you submit this form, I want you to send a request to the home controller, AddPostComment. Let us just start the app. I'm just going to scroll down in here and then just add a comment. So this is a comment, and then click the button. You can see that we get the request, and in here we have this is a comment and the post ID. That just continue. This did add a comment. Let us add one more. Just click in here. This is another comment, and then click the button. Let us continue. And now this post does have two comments. In here we have a small issue, and the issue is that the comment button should be here on the right and not just below this one. So let us fix this problem first. And here to fix the comment button misalignment, you can define the form in here to be a flex container. And you can do that by just typing in here that this is going to be a flex. Then define here the items center, and then add a gap of 2 between these items. Or you can just leave the code as it was. Just remove this one, cut the form, just put it after the div that doesn't have any classes, and then cut the form from here and just put it down here. So this way you have wrapped everything inside a form, but you didn't change the initial styles. I'll just save the changes. I'll just run the app one more time. And if I scroll down, I can see that the comment button is on the right. Even though we did add comments, we still don't see them in here, and we can also see that the number is wrong. So let us fix that on the next part.